What's going on, everyone? I want to share with you guys a couple of different updates that we have. First being WordPress integration. It's been out for a while, so I know you guys have probably been seeing it pop up at the top of your system every time you come in. So what it is if you're using WordPress websites, a lot of people don't like to switch from WordPress, so you can actually integrate your WordPress website in with your new realm, your universal marketing system um, account, right? So that's pretty awesome. All you have to do is just hit connect, and it's $15 a month, and yeah, you go from there. Um, Something else, if you are on the premium plan, you also have blogs, which is a awesome feature. I'll create a training video. This has been out the longest, I believe. I'll create a training video for blogs as well, and you see that you got access to um, both of those things, WordPress and blogs under online marketing, and also memberships if you have the account to have the memberships. And memberships is just you guys have the ability to create and sell courses from memberships. It's pretty awesome, actually. So the next thing that I want to tell you guys about, and I'm super excited about this one, is, wait a second, let's get there. Boom, TikTok is live and ready. Now this is really exciting to me, because TikTok is the go-to social media platform right now for any business. It's so fast to get your videos and to get your message out there to people. It's like it's amazing. I actually got in touch with some of you guys that's watching this video right now through my TikTok channel. So just think about how amazing it is. So anyway, to connect, you just click on it, and you need a TikTok business account as well, and it doesn't cost anything or anything like that to switch over from a personal account to a business account. It's just in settings, and it's super easy, guys. So you'd either use your phone or your email. I am going to use my email. Go ahead and do the little puzzle thing. Now it keeps doing this. I'm gonna figure this out, but it did this to me earlier, and then I signed out so that I can record this video to show you guys. Let's try it again. Oh, same thing. Yeah, so I don't know. I got to look into this myself. It's probably something I have going on in my TikTok account because I signed in earlier and then disconnected. So anyway, that's how you do that, and from there you will be able to go into social marketing if you have this plan again, and you'll be able to connect your TikTok account to all of your social accounts right here, and you'll be able to actually plan your posts directly from your universal marketing system account, your new RAM account. So this is awesome as well. If you are, I know not a lot of people, but some people are. They have like side hustles where they run ads and stuff for um, businesses, and TikTok is the hottest one to do right now. So if you aren't doing that, you might want to look into it. It's a very lucrative platform to be on right now. So anyway, that's that. That is all of the updates that I wanted to share with you guys. Right now, we have some more coming up. Um, Some are well, some that you already got that you already see is the new visual outlook of the system itself, as well as the dashboard, as well as I think inbox is looking different. Your calendars and stuff are looking different. You can do way more with your calendars now than you could before. So yeah. Anyway, and this thing up here, this affiliate manager up here, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether or not. I'll talk to y'all about that later. But yeah, that's it. You guys need anything? You know how to reach out to me.